This is PreCalculus 12, Chapter 4.3. We're going to be looking at how to use the calculator to do composition of functions. So we enter f and g. This is going to be y1, this is going to be y2, and what we'd like to do is y1 of y2 of x. So on the TI, we want to do this. And we press y equals, and we just enter a function, x squared minus 5, and our other function, 3x plus 1. Okay, now here's the part that you haven't done before. We want to press vars, and we want to go over to y vars, so we go right, and we want to use a function. So we press enter, and we want y1 first, and we want a bracket. And we might want to make it look like this. And now we want y2. So again, we press vars. We go to y vars by pressing right. We want function again, and we want to scroll down to y2, and we want a bracket and an x. And we need to close it off with two brackets, and now we can graph. So here we have our x squared minus 5, here we have our 3x plus 1, and here we have our composite function. Let's look at this on the Casio. Okay, menu, graph. Again, we have x squared minus 5, 3x plus 1, and we just need to press right, and we use this. So we press F1, and we want our function 1, and we have bracket, and then we want this again, F1, and this is function 2, and we have bracket, and then we have x. We can just use this x now, and bracket, bracket, and execute, and draw. Okay, so here we have our x squared minus 5. Let's change the window. We want standard, and enter, and draw. So we have our x squared minus 5, we have our 3x plus 1, and we have our composite function. So let's label these. X squared minus 5, y equals for this, equals 3x plus 1. And here for our thick line, we have f of g of x. Similarly over here, we have our y equals x squared minus 5, y equals 3x plus 1, and y equals f of g of x. And that completes this quick calculator lesson.